Welcome all. Here we are going to introduce you to total productive maintenance. First of all, we like to tell you about the course. This course aims at introducing total productive maintenance, TPM, at the beginner's level, where we will talk about the history and evolution of total productive maintenance and the difference between total quality management, TQM, and total productive maintenance, TPM. We will discuss about different productive maintenance, PM, systems used for the maintenance activities in the organizations, with examples and the success stories, and also about the difficulties in implementing TPM. Thus, the participants will be able to appreciate that the total productive maintenance is a corporate culture which not only prevents losses but effectively involve everyone from top management to workers to actively participate in small groups, and how it acts as the key to maximize company-wide productivity. Now, let us see what participants will learn from this course. After doing this course, the participants will learn about the total productive maintenance as a distinct approach to conventional maintenance practices, which optimize equipment effectiveness by eliminating breakdowns in any organization, and how the TPM has revolutionized the maintenance, as it does not involve the orthodox maintenance policy, but inculcate a cultural shift in the organization. After this course, the participants will be able to appreciate the basic objective of TPM, which seeks to create a sense of joint responsibility between supervisors, operators, and maintenance workers, in order to keep the machines and equipments working smoothly, and to broaden and optimize their overall performance so that they can generate the remarkable results. The participants will also gain knowledge about the famous 8 pillars of TPM, their benefits, and implementation in a given organization, taking help of some short case studies. They will learn about the common features of the workplace with poor TPM practices, and about different types of TPM losses, their causes, and the steps involved in effective implementation of TPM, and the barriers which are there in the process of implementation of TPM. They will discover the use of autonomous maintenance as a strategic tool in maintenance, wherein the operator performs day-to-day activities pertaining to his area of work by himself, and how the autonomous maintenance facilitates cultural change. They will understand as to how TPM optimizes the availability of process machinery, greatly reducing the cost of maintenance, and provides the means to improve product quality, productivity, and profitability of manufacturing and production plants, and thus how it has become one of the most popular maintenance strategies to ensure machine reliability. They will also discover different TPM education methods, and about the tools management system, and how to measure the goals and effectiveness of TPM using the overall equipment effectiveness OEE ratio. Question arises: what are the benefits of doing this course? After completing this course, the participants will be able to appreciate the basic concepts of TPM and requirements of implementation of TPM in an organization. However, in order to implement it in an organization, the participants will have to do the advanced level courses in TPM. The essential educational requirements for the participants of this course will be: 1. An MBA or a graduate engineer. 2. A diploma holder with at least 3 years experience in manufacturing or service organization. 3. An ITI certificate holder with at least 5 years of experience at the shop floor of a manufacturing organization. 4. An industrial worker with at least 10 years of experience at the shop floor of a manufacturing organization. Thank you.